It's that time of year again. It's that time of year when we embrace our facial foliage, or I mean, that should be all year long, but it's when a lot of us, we shave our beards, mustaches, whatever scruff we may have on our face at the beginning of November so that we can start our glorious germination of badassery, or rather beardassery. Here, let me sit down real quick. Okay, there are several approaches, there's several names to this type of year, and a couple of them are No Shave November or Movember. Nonetheless, the primary purpose of November is to help raise awareness of men's health issues such as prostate cancer, testicular cancer, suicide. It's a great time to actually look into charities that deal directly with these issues, search around, and find those that resonate with you. Personally, I'm involved with a charity, and what it is it's the selling of FU Cancer t-shirts from thebeardstruggle.com, and 100% of the proceeds go directly to the BC Cancer Foundation. And I'll have that link down below. There are a ton to choose from, so I do hope that this is eye-opening if you didn't already know about this type of month, the primary purpose of it. Let's bring this back to the beard struggle. So as we are growing out our facial hair, we need to be caring and nurturing our gardens, if you will. And the Beard Struggle, they actually have a ton of new products dropping left and right. And before I forget, I do have a discount code. My discount code is DANZBEARD, all one word, D-A-N-Z beard, and that gives you 20% off of everything. That's everything that the Beard Struggle has right now, and it gives you 20% off of the new releases that are coming out. And in regard to the new releases, there's everything from derma rollers to mustache wax to new scents, body wash, apparel, shave kits, which is kind of weird, beard shapers. So there is a lot coming, so it's super exciting. And again, I'll have all of this linked down below. And also now let's circle back to the charities. If there's any charities or foundations that you are involved with or that you know of, please let us know in the comment section below. And yeah, I hope that you found this video helpful, perhaps entertaining. If you did, please go ahead and give this a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed, maybe think about subscribing. Anyways, until the next one, peace! We out.